Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Karen.
Hello.
And we are back to introduce another As Seen on TV launch. This is the Arabesque gift bag die set. On TV launch for you. This one is a super cute little gift bag.
It is fabulous.
It's kind of similar to other cross-topped bags, but we've kind of given it a little twist. I mean, I say we, Toby.
Toby's given it a twist.
Toby has given it an amazing twist. Let's have a look first at the dies for you. Bring those in.
So this is another large A4 die set, as you can see here. Nice imagery on the front and the back as well, just showing you exactly what this makes. And if I bring that over there, you can see you've got your full die set, and you've also got some very, very simple instructions because it's such a simple bag to make. So you basically have two of these, and you do have an extra outer panel as well to glue on, but that is it. So you're overlapping two of these, you're adding your outer panels, and that's pretty much it.
Yep.
A little bit of strengthening there as well. So you can see that's really easy to put together there. So this is your main die set. Your outer edge, if you can't see that, can you? There. Yeah, is it all going to fit on the screen? There you go. It's not so bad. So this is your main die set, your outer edge. That creates the main part of the bag. And
you
then
can see it's quite a sizable die, so you are going to need an A4 die cutting machine.
You
for this
are.
One.
You are. And then you've got, it must be this one, is it? Yes, it must be this one to...
The Star Trek symbol.
Star Trek symbol, yeah. Then you've got this one, and that one attaches to the front panel here. Right. The front front panel here. The front panel here. This is the front panel. It covers that.
Overlap,
yeah, it does. So that glues onto there. That's right. I've got it. It's such a long time. You know, we say this every time we bring a die set out, that it's such a long time in between us making anything to when we come to show it to you that, well, I just can't remember.
No. Indeed.
It needs memory, and mine is full.
So we have lots of lovely patterns in this as well.
We do. We do.
Do we have 3 different sets of patterns?
I think we do. So we've got this one here. So this is the inner portion of the bag. This is the side here. So this is your side panel that matches. And then this is your front piece.
Yep.
So then you've got another set, which is
that one, and that one.
Beautiful mandala style. This one reminds me of peacock feathers.
Yep.
This one is more mandala styled. But this piece is with that one, isn't it? And then you've just got, so you know, Toby, you can't leave a little bit of spare room. You know, he could have put anything in there, but he chose another panel. So you've got the panel for the inner piece, you've got the panel for the sides, but you don't actually have another one of those, but they do all mix and match.
They do, exactly. Or you can mix it with your
pattern papers,
Or, you know, if you've done some shimmer powdering on a bit of cardstock, you could put that over the front as well.
Embossing folder, card,
anything.
Anything.
You've also got these lovely feathers.
Love the feathers. Love the little lock. Are we seeing this?
Yeah.
Yes. I love the little lock, and of course a really, really nice tag.
That one says all things nice.
A little bag of joy.
Oh, my grey bag of joy.
Yes, indeed. And it's in the bag.
Nice.
Very nice. So a nice contemporary one there as well, I think.
Very, very cute. You've also got little smaller panels then for
you do.
Side angle. Let's show you the bag a little closer up so you can see how this
will go together. Yeah, you can see what all of these pieces mean. Okay.
Bits of ours die cut still on there. Where should we start? I've got this lovely one
yes,
here.
let's just have a little look at the layered
It's one of my favourite colourways. So of course it's absolutely Really? I've got to hold it over the edge of the mat like this?
You can come past the edge.
There you go.
Okay, there we go. I was going to say, do you expect me to hold it like this?
And open it.
Not going to happen. So here is our Arabesque bag. Now the reason that we say it's a bit different, if I turn this up, hopefully you can see that it has this kind of extra panel, this little extra detail, and that's on both sides, just like so. So this is where that extra panel goes. It kind of covers your join just up here.
That's right.
So as with all of these bags, you're probably going to want to press it down slightly, she says, but I don't want to mash this. I'm going to let Karen do it.
Right, so it's, you pull this one across. So it's got to be, is that one being glued shut?
That's what I'm wondering now.
Oh no. What?
Yeah, that one's glued
What?
shut. Let's,
I think they've glued it shut. Right, okay, let's leave that one. Let's
beautiful.
try another one. I'm going to open this one before we even start. Right, so if I... Just making sure that one can open. Right, so you can see there you've got your little bag of joy. You have got those beautiful feathers.
I love that.
Oh, look at them, they're so cute. And then you've got your peacock feathers. I should be this way a bit. Your peacock feather pattern selection on this one. So you can see you just lift up, she says, lift up the bag. So you give it a bit of a curve before you do it. Now, is this going to stop it? Why have I done this one? So this one's been tied on afterwards.
Oh my goodness, you are brave.
Right. And then you lift that open. And when you have a little look inside, you can see, you can actually see straight through that. But you do have this section that stops anything falling out of the bag.
So it is all contained still.
It
once
is.
You've closed
It absolutely is. So that is your Arabesque gift bag.
It's a sizable little gift bag too.
It is. It is, definitely. There's a lot of room inside that. It would be amazing, absolutely amazing for wedding favours.
Yes.
It is a beautiful, beautiful bag, and I can just see this done, even without the patterns, done in the bridal colours.
Yep.
Just stunning.
Really,
Absolutely.
really
Right,
pretty.
I'm just going to pop that back on there.
So you've got the kind of feather pattern on there. Have I got one of the other patterns? Let me see. I've got, okay.
Yeah, you've got that one.
So this one is from Vicky.
Thank you, Vicky. Oh, we didn't say who this was. This one is Angela's. Thank you, Ange.
So if I turn this around, because we've got the tag on the front, so you can see that lovely mandala that Vicky has picked out with her paper piecing there.
Beautiful.
Isn't that pretty? It kind of almost looks like the edge of a sunflower or something.
It does.
Just around that opening. Very, very pretty. And then even more paper piecing on the side as well. Of course. Because it's Vicky. I would expect nothing less at this point. And you've got that lovely feather as well. Very, very pretty. I really like that. Thank you very much.
I'm not going to open any more of the bags now.
No, absolutely not.
So you can see the pattern again here on this one. Look at that. So
it looks so different.
Yeah.
So let me bring this back in. It's the same pattern, but look how different it looks.
Yeah. Yeah. So Vicky has done it sort of in the same colourway. So she's made her layer the same colourway as the bag and then just picked out some of the detail, whereas Angela has cut it in a mirror so you get all of that pattern, but you can see here that Angela has used
I love that trellis.
the trellis inside, so it just goes to show you can put the trellis with any of the other patterns and it goes equally as well. And this is the front of Angela's bag, just so all decorated. Beautiful. Thank you, Ange. Thank you, Vicky.
Now, of course, if you don't want to use the pattern at all, how about this one? This is from Rashida. And look, she's made it into a little toadstool house.
I love it.
How cute is that? So just some red paper layers and then just some white circles over the top. And a little door. Is that actually the tag?
It is. It's the tag, yeah.
All things nice.
And then she's got, it's in the bag.
I absolutely love that. What a cute little idea.
It's fabulous. What else can we show? Right, let's show this one. So you don't have to use all of the patterns again. So like we've said, let me just spin this around. You've got the side panels on. You've got the front and back. This beautiful bow. Big blousy, big blousy bow off Sue. Yes, this is our Sue. But you can see there that Sue has used this large panel, but nothing in the centre.
I like that.
So it just shows how much scope there is with this bag.
That's it. If you feel that all the pattern is too much, you can mix and match with some plain layers as well.
Yes, you can. And there's Sue's. It's in the bag. Lovely.
Very cute.
Lovely.
I've got a lovely one here. This is from Vicky as well, and she's actually coloured the pattern in this one.
I love this.
So a bit quicker if you want that kind of paper piece look, but without all of the, many cuts.
Yes.
And then colouring is your friend, and I really love how that looks.
It is
very striking.
Beautiful. Lovely. But of course you can use some lovely pattern papers. So if we just have a look at this one, this is one of our foiled cardstock, so foiled craft. They're not actual craft.
No.
The first ones were craft, but then we carried on with the name. So this is foiled craft. It's the white foiled craft card, and this has got the rose gold hearts on it, and it works perfectly on this. So just be mindful of which way you cut your pattern.
Yes.
Because if you've got something like this that's in the lines,
directional.
so this is from Angela, and Angela's remembered to look at which way they're all going, and she's popped a lovely little keyhole there.
I like
on that. I like that a lot.
Really nice idea.
And we've got our beautiful little feathers.
I think
as
those
well.
feathers and everything, they just add that little extra something.
Aren't they gorgeous? But we would just use those
everywhere.
Definitely. And just like, I can show you this one, because the way Angela's closed this one, she's popped her bow around one handle, just to give you an idea, so that people don't have to open the bow like I just ruined one before it even gets to TV.
It'll be fine. Oh look, you've put it back together already.
I have put it back together. It doesn't look as nice as when Angela made it, mind. Sorry, Ange. But yeah, there's that one. I've got another amazing.
Oh, this one's so cute.
Oh, adorable is what this is. So our Sue Hardman has made a really springy bag, and she's put loads of flowers on it.
I like the way she's emphasised that side kind of...
The curve.
I was going to say gusset, but it is a little bag gusset, basically.
Yeah.
But she's emphasised that with a little curve of flowers on there, just to...
Fabulous, isn't it?
that it is a bit different.
Doesn't that look nice?
I love it.
And she's got her lovely tag there with some flowers as well. But how springy does that look? It just... You just choose the paper, don't you? It matches my cardi.
Oh, it does. Blending right in.
You just need to think about what your what look you're going for. So, is it a nice little cute present for somebody? You just want to give them something quick. So she's cut some plain panels then with her pattern paper, and just pop some flowers on.
And we say this all the time when we're talking about making gift boxes. If you are making a lot of them, forget the pattern.
Definitely.
Use your pattern paper.
Yeah.
Or, if you've previously done, like we say, sheets of shimmer powder that you want to put on, or moussed or embossed or anything like that, it's going to make it a much quicker
definitely
gift box
is.
for you. I've got another couple of very pretty...
We've got beautiful papers. Right, now so this paper, cast your mind back about 10 years ago, and we had some 8x8 paper pads.
Oh.
And this is one of our papers from there. So Rosh has been collecting for an awful long time, I would say. And when I saw that, I recognised it straight away. So it's lovely to see that. Thanks for that, Rosh.
I've got another one here from Vicky. I'm going to bring both of these in because we've got two little pattern paper ones. So we've got this one from Vicky with these beautiful flowers, and I think there was a little bird in there that I saw.
Beautiful paper.
No, just flowers.
I
was imagining a bird. And then we've got some of our Dusky Rose paper as well.
Oh, I love Dusky Rose.
Just on some sea salt green.
Shouldn't have a favourite, but I think that's mine.
Yes, or Mulberry Wine also.
Yeah.
Depends what kind of mood I'm in, I think. Yeah, absolutely beautiful with pattern paper as well.
I mean, we do have an awful lot more of these that we could show you, but
yes,
we're just showing you what our design team like to make. If you do want to see some of them being made though, you can nip back over to Create and Craft and catch Jodie, and she'll be making some of these as well.
So this is available now directly from us, so on our own website, so you can go and grab those for yourself. Of course, that does mean that if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you get to save 10% off this new launch with your TCK discount code, which is just amazing. So definitely take advantage of that. If you do load up your basket, don't forget that you can pay in installments using ShopPay, ClearPay or PayPal on our website. Just pick whichever one is going to work best for you. Now, the most important thing that we say every single time,
tag us in your makes.
We would love to see where your imagination takes you with this little gift bag. What are you going to be using it for? Have you got an idea in mind already? Have you got a little gift? You've been looking for the perfect bag to gift to someone? Or perhaps you've got an occasion or event coming up that you're looking to make little favour bags for?
Even Easter or anything like that. I mean, just a couple of little chocolate eggs in there.
You'd get like Kinder Egg
yes.
size eggs. You get probably a good couple of those in
there.
there.
Yeah, you definitely get like 3 of those in there.
I reckon you could get a whole 5 box of cream eggs in as well.
Or if you eat a couple first. Or if you buy
a dozen.
If you buy them for somebody and then you
eaten a few.
accidentally eat them, then you can just make a gift bag and put them in.
Put the rest in and they'll never know that you ate some between buying and gifting.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I love it. Don't forget, if you enjoy this, give the video a thumbs up. If you've got any comments on this or any questions about the product, do drop them in the comments below and we'll come back and answer those for you. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon.
Happy crafting!